Hey y'all, just a quick one. It's happy spring. It's March 20. Speaking of spring, we've done some spring cleaning here. We got countertops to work with now. Got all the garbage and junk thrown away, packed away. All this recycling cardboard stuff going out to the curb here shortly. Got everything straight. I know it doesn't look like it's straight up, but trust me, underneath there, everything is filled with necessities now, and there isn't crap in there, and it's all gone. All the extra cardboard from packaging, parts and pieces coming before Daytona and stuff, it all piled up, man. It's all gone. So everything in its place for everything. This here emptied a bunch of dried up old crap out of the paint and fiberglass cabinet, threw it all away. Our rolling Kirby cart trash can full to the top. We're going to have to put the house garbage on the top of the damn thing. This was a mountain of nightmare. It was just a mess. Remember the mess that was over here? Got all this clean up. Threw a whole bunch of stuff out. Why we're saving silly stuff like that, I don't know. We just pile it up and because we're busy, right? So got everything fixed up, cleaned up, tuned up. Over here, this was a nightmare. There was stuff all piled up over here. And although it looks like it's a mess, it's a controlled mess now. At least I know what's going on and where everything's at over here. Packed a bunch of stuff into the cabinets. That's for this car, for the 125 that we're going to build, for the supercart and stuff. Parts, pieces over here. We know where everything's at. Supercart parts. Seat for the Yama Dog. Chris West's M1 methanol. Looking good. All of our stuff's over here too. We're ready to go. We just got everything put away and went and got the shifter cart today. Beautiful day, almost 60 degrees. Just beautiful. As you can see, the sun's starting to go down here. It's almost 7:30 in the evening. Beautiful day. Started taking notes for our Grattan test, April 21. Got out our parts for the pump carb. Just rechecking, making sure we have what we need. If we need to make more adjustments now, since we've lowered the pop off, had to make notes of everything we changed, where it was, where it's at now, the whole 9 yards. So notes are going good. As I said, the cart's over at Rich's in the garage. I have the engine and axle gear out of the trailer already over there that needs to be changed for Grattan. We'll next couple of days, we'll get that cart done. And I guess, as soon as we pull the trailer out of the yard here, we can stuff it in, but it's not in the way over at Rich's house. It can sit over here till we're ready to load it up. I'll be going back to the storage unit, probably by myself, to get the 4-banger. After we loaded the shifter cart in the back of the truck, we went back to the unit indoors there and put the 4-banger was on the floor. We actually picked it up, put it on the rolling stand. So now I can go up there during the week while Rich is at work or whatever, drop the tailgate and just shove the 4-banger right into the truck, right off the stand. It's ready to go. So that's it. Just a quick one. Spring is here. The fever is happening. I've been getting text messages, emails, phone calls, and I have to tell people, sorry, no, we're full. We're going to start calling it the secret test instead of the spring test because we get more than enough people. Don't ever want to have to deal with another repeat of what went on in October where I had to be a security guard all day and never got to turn laps in my cart, which put us in the trailer early in Daytona, two and a half months later. Now another 3 months later after Daytona, we're going to make it right? So 6 months later, we'll finally do what we should have been doing in October. Just back it up, Bob. I can hear you right now. Just secret test at Grattan. Get ready, because I'm going to tear it up. We got a clean garage, man. We're going to make a mess in here, too, as soon as we get the garbage out of here. Hang in there. I'm going to bring it all to you. Godspeed. God bless. We're praying for you. It'll get better. I guarantee it. It's going to get better.